You see how the little duck coming? I don't have no food. The ducky want food. So I've been out here feeding them lettuce and stuff, so they see me, they'll get to coming out here. These ducks was born 2 weeks apart from these other ones. It's a whole little gang of them. Here go the others. Hey, mommy ducky. Mommy ducky. See, mama ducky. Even got eggs they be laying. So that's how it's done. And they got 3 lakes they can swim out on here on. That's how dudes do it. Dudes go viral. Animal life. And they enjoying it. You get free food, free water, and they got their own recreation and aquatic center. What more can you ask for? Isn't God good?